In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create app password for Microsoft Outlook. Keeping your Outlook account secure is extremely important, especially when accessing it from different devices or applications. One way to enhance your account security is by creating an app password, which allows certain apps to access your account safely when two-step verification is enabled. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Office 365 login page. You can do this by searching for it online and selecting the appropriate result. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In option located at the top of the screen. Next, enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Then proceed to the next step. Now move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select the option related to your account security. This will take you to the Security Settings page, where you can manage different protection features. Within the Security section, look for Security Options. Once you open this area, scroll down until you find Manage How I Sign In, click it. Here, you will see the option for two-step verification, which may currently be turned off. Enable two-step verification by selecting the option to turn it on. You will be guided through a setup process. Select the option to create a new app password. A unique password will be generated for you, which you can use when connecting Outlook to other applications or devices. After generating the password, you can choose to create additional ones if needed. When you are done, confirm your changes to complete the process. And that's it. You now know how to create an app password for Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.